Welcome to Miami International Speedway. Right here we are starting our trip and our journey on the 2022 majors on the way to the runoff that is going to take place this year in Virginia Speedway. We are coming from the 2021 runoff last year at Indianapolis. That we had some problems, technical problems on the car that unable to finish the race. Today we are in Homestead, our first race of 2022, and MCS Coilover came in with a new three-way setup for the car. So we are starting to looking on that and taking data and adjusting the car to have more grip on the track. So very positive about that. We tested yesterday and we are improving from yesterday to today. So let's see what happened this weekend on Miami Speedway. Hey guys, let's talk about the qualifying yesterday. We made the track and we made some adjustments and we qualified third on the class. But the first three cars, they are in less than half a second between us. So it's going to be a very, very good race. Today is Saturday, race day. We have, in the morning, we used to have the second qualifying for the race, but the weather, it won't help us. It started raining and we decided not to take the track for the second quali because it was pouring the track. And honestly, we are not going to improve our yesterday time on the track. So we are going to take out the grid on third place. So we're preparing now the car for the race that is going to take place in half an hour. So we are waiting until the end to decide if we are going to use wet tires or dry tires. So depending on that is going to be the strategy for the race. So keep in touch and definitely it's going to be a very good race for us. Hey guys, good news. We take the track to the first race on P3, and it was a good start for us. We managed to put the car on second place on the first lap. And after that, it was a battling with the P1 on class. So I think we made it, we stayed there, we focused on the race. We managed to pass for P1, one out break on one of the corners. And we put the car on P1. After that, on the banking, on the straight, the car has more power than I. So he passed me, so I kept the second place for a little bit. Unfortunately, the P1 car had a crash in front of me, very bad crash. And after that, we made one more lap, and then yellow flags, so the race ended on yellow flag. But we were on P1, even on class and overall. So either way, it's a good news for the team. So we are happy. So we are looking for the next race tomorrow in the morning. Thank you. Hey guys, pretty happy with the results today. We managed the P1 again on Sunday race. We came yesterday for taking the first place on the first race of the Saturday. We take all the data that we collect from that race, make some adjustment on the car. The car feels more easy to drive on today's race. So very happy for the results to the Rear Street and RaceFactory's Civic right here in Homestead, Miami. Definitely I want to thank two companies that came along this year to us that make the difference on this car this week. One is motion control system coilovers and G-Lock brakes for making the company I need to feel the car and feel the brake that I wanted. So definitely without those companies, they improved on the car. It wasn't possible. Pretty good start of the season, and we are wrapping up right now the car. Going this week back to Rear Street to work on the car and prepare for next race. It's going to be next weekend on Sebring. So see you there, and definitely follow us on Instagram and Rear Street too to more news on this car on next week on Sebring.